Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on iPhone. So to start, let's open App Store. Now once you're here, click the search icon and up here, type in WhatsApp. So click on the first one. Now look for WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. Now in here, what you need to do to install the app is to click the cloud icon. So it's the blue one with an arrow, click on that and it will install. So as you can see, it's now installing, just wait for it to finish. And once done, click on open. So in here, a new window will appear, so click on agree and continue. If you want to allow notifications, click on continue. Click on allow or don't allow. So in here, you need to enter your phone number. So WhatsApp will need to verify your account. Carrier charges may apply. So put in your country code and your phone number and click on next. If you already have an account and it's connected to Instagram, you can just click continue with Instagram. So it saves you time. Or if you want to enter your phone number, so just click on this one and put in your number and click on next. So it's now restoring from iCloud. Click on restore or click on skip, depends on you. So I'm going to click on skip and do it later. So WhatsApp would like to access your contacts. Tap on continue. Now in here, you need to enter your name and add a profile picture, but it's optional. Click on done. And in here, you can add your email, but you can also skip it. And that's basically it. That's how you can download WhatsApp on your iPhone and sign in. Thanks for watching.